What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig, and we're going to be going over the charts. We're going to zoom in to the 4 hour and look at what's going on. There are some trade opportunities coming up, so stick around for the whole video. This is going to be a quick video. As you guys know, I'm going to be leaving for vacation. I will still be doing my video with BitBoy tomorrow, as long as my Wi-Fi and everything is good on vacation. So we're going to get into the charts. Don't forget, before we begin, smash those thumbs up. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Take a second out. It only takes a second. Don't cost you anything. Smash the likes. Also, leave your comments down below after the video. Let me know what you think. I am very curious, and let's see if you can guess where I'm going for vacation. Anyways, let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want daily updates of what Bitcoin is doing. So as you guys know, we've been watching the Dow Jones here. We're still lingering around that 30,700 point range. As I've stated a million times, I do believe we'll get below this. Next time we get below this will probably be Bitcoin's drop. But let's take a look at what's going on. We're going to go into the DXY. As you guys know, I've been bullish on the DXY. Once we broke out of here, we were looking for 106. It looks like that has become support. But if we are going to get a fake out pump to the upside before continuing down on Bitcoin, you'll see this come back down here, possibly all the way back down to the 105. But as long as this 106 holds as support, it looks like we could continue down from here. Our next target's 108, and then after that around 109, 112, somewhere in that range, coming up to retest this trend line. Let's take a look at the daily. So on the daily, as you guys know, our major resistance, we played this perfectly. Got this, our target of 17.7, hit absolutely perfect to the T. As of right now, once we pass this, then my lower targets come into, we start looking for them lower targets, but we have to break that 17.5 range before we start looking for those. But anyways, right now our resistance is around 24.3 to 24.5 range. I don't see us going any higher than that. This is what will make me start to look somewhat bullish on the charts. If we were to break that, then I would look for this area here around the 30,000. But as of right now, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm about to show you what I'm looking for. And if you guys are interested in trading, definitely check out Prime XBT. I have a link down below. I also have tutorials on my YouTube page. If you go to it, you'll see them right on the front of the page. So definitely check those out. You can use my promo code SAVVY50. That'll get you 50%, or I'm sorry, $7,000 bonus. And Savvy25 will get you 25% off your fees. You can trade gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, altcoins, everything all from one exchange. Let's take a look at, so this is my first look of what could be happening. If we get down to the 17.5 and get a bounce, then I think we get one more bounce up and break. If this does happen, it should look something like this. We just get another ABC here. But again, if we break up, we've been talking about this. If we break up past this trend line, we could get a fake out. And I'll show you in the next chart. But right now, if we were to come and do something like this, this would take a couple weeks to play out. Then we'd be looking for 11.9. Now let's take a look at what's going on right now. So as you can see, I drew this in here. If we do get a fake out, I think it'll be something like this. So if we were to get the fake out, now as of right now would be a good time to put in a short with your stops up here around 21,000, somewhere in that range. And if it does get up there, then you would wait for a bounce back down to retest. And then if it did get a bounce, you could long to possibly that 22.5 to 24.5 range. And that would look something like this. Let me get my tool out. I have no idea where it is. Here we go. So that would look something like this. If we do get up and may get a bounce, come back down for a retest, and then come up to that either 24.5 range, watch for a rejection, then maybe come around, bounce on this, maybe then hit our 17.5 before continuing down to our lower targets. Or if we were to get all the way up here, break past the 22.5, get to that 24.5 resistance and create something like this before going down. But if we do get our rejection here, which I think is a good possibility, then we could just come straight down. But remember to watch for that bounce at 17.5. If we don't get the bounce for 17.5, then these are my targets. As long as we don't break up higher here. The first target would be just the measured move of this. And that would be after we'd have to break that 19.1, 19.2 range. But again, keep a good eye on that 17.5. Either way, we may get a nice little bounce there. But if that does break, then our target is around that 13.2. We have a much further target too. If we look at this as a flagpole, this being a bear flag, and then we put it down, could get us around to that $6,800 to $7,000 range. We'll move that up a little. All depends on if, when, and where it breaks this. But that is what I'm looking for, guys. Obviously, this breakout will be a good play for a long to the upside if we break out up. Like I said, short right now with your stops up at around 21,000. Low leverage, of course, if you are trading. But remember, nothing is financial advice. I'm just showing you my ideas. So far, they've been playing out beautifully. Let's see what happens. But remember, if we break this bottom trend line, then watch for 17.5. If that breaks, 13.2 be my next target. Should get a big bounce there. If not, then I would look for the $7,000 range. So anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Do not forget to smash those thumbs up. Guess where I'm going on my vacation. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. If you want daily updates, make sure you tick your notification bells. There's a couple videos here if you want to check them out. And thanks a lot, guys. I'm out.